Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of woodworking. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting to feel the pull of sawdust and shavings, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from the types of wood you can use to the tools that will bring your creations to life. Let's start with the basics. Why wood? For centuries, wood has been our go-to material for almost everything. Think about it. The chair you're sitting on, the table you eat at, maybe even the house you live in. Wood is used for furniture, flooring, decorative items, musical instruments, and massive construction projects. It's versatile, beautiful, and sustainable when sourced responsibly. From a simple birdhouse to a grand concert hall, wood's applications are virtually limitless. Its warmth and natural beauty bring a unique character to any project that synthetic materials just can't replicate. Now, before you can turn a piece of timber into a masterpiece, it often needs some preparation. This is where wood treatment comes in. Raw wood, especially when used outdoors, is vulnerable to moisture, insects, and decay. Treating it is crucial for longevity. There are several methods. Pressure treatment, for example, forces chemical preservatives deep into the wood's fibers, making it highly resistant to rot and pests. This is common for decking and fence posts. For indoor furniture, we often use oils, waxes, and varnishes. Oils like linseed or tung oil penetrate the wood, enhancing its natural grain and providing a protective water-resistant layer. Waxes give a soft, natural sheen and a smooth feel. Varnishes and lacquers create a hard, durable topcoat that can be glossy or matte, offering excellent protection against scratches and spills. Choosing the right treatment depends entirely on your project's needs and the look you want to achieve. Okay, let's talk about the star of the show, the wood itself. There are thousands of wood species, but they generally fall into two categories: softwoods and hardwoods. Don't let the names fool you. It's not always about density. The distinction is botanical. Hardwoods come from deciduous trees, the ones that lose their leaves in the fall, like oak, maple, and walnut. They typically have a richer, more complex grain and are known for their durability, making them perfect for high-end furniture and flooring. Oak is incredibly strong and has a prominent grain, great for traditional pieces. Maple is lighter in color, very hard, and has a subtle grain, often used for modern furniture and cutting boards. Walnut is prized for its deep, rich color and beautiful patterns. On the other side, we have softwoods, which come from coniferous trees, the evergreens like pine, cedar, and fir. Softwoods generally grow faster, making them more affordable and a great choice for construction, framing, and rustic-style furniture. Pine is probably the most common softwood. It's easy to work with, lightweight, and takes stain well, but it can dent easily. Cedar is naturally resistant to rot and insects, which is why you see it used so often for outdoor furniture, shingles, and closet linings. Plus, it smells amazing. Understanding the characteristics of different wood types is key to selecting the perfect material for your project. With your wood chosen and treated, you'll need the right tools to shape it. Woodworking tools can be broken down into hand tools and power tools. Let's start with the classics. Every woodworker needs a good set of hand tools. A quality handsaw is essential for making straight cuts. Chisels are used for carving and shaping, especially for creating joints. A block plane is perfect for smoothing edges and flattening surfaces. And of course, you'll need measuring and marking tools like a tape measure, a combination square, and a marking knife for precision. There's something deeply satisfying about working with hand tools, feeling the direct connection between you and the wood. But for bigger projects or faster results, power tools are your best friend. A circular saw is a versatile workhorse for making quick, straight cuts in large sheets of wood. A miter saw is a must-have for making precise angled cuts, perfect for trim work and frames. A table saw offers incredible accuracy for ripping boards to width and making a variety of cuts. Then you have tools for shaping and finishing, like a router for creating decorative edges and joinery, and sanders like orbital or belt sanders to achieve that perfectly smooth finish. It's important to always prioritize safety when using power tools. Wear your safety glasses, use hearing protection, and always understand how a tool works before you turn it on. Finally, let's discuss how all these pieces come together to form a wooden structure. This is where the magic of joinery happens. Joinery is the art of connecting two pieces of wood. While you can use screws and nails, traditional woodworking joinery creates stronger, more beautiful connections without any metal fasteners. Some fundamental joints include the butt joint, which is the simplest but also the weakest, where two pieces are just butted up against each other. A lap joint is stronger, where two pieces are overlapped after removing some material. Then you have more advanced joints like the mortise and tenon, where a projecting piece, the tenon, fits into a hole, the mortise. This joint is incredibly strong and has been used for thousands of years in furniture and building construction. Another classic is the dovetail joint, known for its interlocking strength and stunning appearance, often seen in high-quality drawers and boxes. Learning joinery is a journey in itself and is one of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking. It transforms you from someone who just assembles wood to a true craftsperson. So there you have it, a comprehensive look into the world of woodworking, from understanding the vast applications of wood and how to treat it, to selecting the right species and using the perfect tools to create strong, beautiful structures. Woodworking is a craft that requires patience, precision, and a passion for creating. It's a skill that allows you to build functional, lasting objects with your own two hands. We've only scratched the surface today, but I hope this has inspired you to pick up some tools and start your own woodworking journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next videos. We've got a lot more woodworking content coming your way. Happy building!